An increasing number of house fires in recent weeks sounds alarms across the state line. Fire investigators are warning about the dangers of everything from space heaters to grills to cigarette butts.
23 News reporter Connor Hollingsworth talks with some fire officials to find out how you can prevent these fires before they start and what to do if that doesn't work.
Nobody was hurt. All of the residents were out of the house at the time of the fire and no firefighters were injured.
After a busier than average week for state line firefighters, Freeport Fire Marshal Hillary Brocious knows the work won't slow down anytime soon.
With everything rising in price, I think a lot of people are cooking at home a lot more. So cooking fires are always our #1 fire reason.
Brocious says as summertime nears, fires from space heaters decrease, but it opens up more potential for grill and smoking fires.
If you have wood decks on apartment buildings, it is against the law to have a grill on a wood deck, and a lot of landlords aren't aware of this.
The Red Cross responds to most house fires, offering much needed help to those residents. Although workers hope to stop fires before they begin, using the organization's Raise the Alarm campaign that focuses on prevention rather than reaction.
We know that a working smoke alarm in a home prevents a fatality by 50%. So we want to make sure that we're saving lives.
Brocious says the best way to prevent fires is simply making sure the detectors in your home work.
We always recommend changing your batteries in your smoke alarm when you change your clocks back. We also do the same for carbon monoxide detectors as well. If you have a carbon monoxide detector, which every home should.
Working for you in Rockford, Connor Hollingsworth, 23 News.
Brocious says her department works hand in hand with the Red Cross. The organization provides smoke detectors, and then firefighters will install them in homes for free.
Now, the two fires Sunday, one in Freeport, one in Rockford, destroyed both homes. This is video of that Freeport fire. In both cases, no one was hurt. As a matter of fact, the people living on the house on Arcadia Terrace in Rockford were able to get out because the smoke detectors alerted them to the fire.